DJ Delz.
Funko Pop Addicts! It's your boy DJ Delz. We're gonna get into a detailed unboxing video of Frankenstein, the Walgreens exclusive. So let's take them out of the box. Thumbs up that video right now for that out of the box look. I know a lot of people don't like taking their Funko Pops out of the box, but I do for the YouTube. So make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And let's take Frankie baby out of the box. Alright, so here we go with a close-up look at Frankenstein with the daisy. I'm pretty sure it was a daisy that was in his hand. And man, I love this pop. I've always wanted a Frankenstein pop, but the resale market is a little high. They put out a new version, and I think he looks fantastic. There's a side profile. There's a look at his back. I like how the shoes are glossy too. Gives it a nice pop with the matte black pants, you know. Little touches like that just makes the pop pop. And there is a look at his other side. Just a close-up look at his face. Great shading too by the eyes. Really looks fantastic. They did a really good job. I'm very impressed. The paint is great. I've noticed that's been an issue lately, but the paint is fantastic on this. And there you go with a close-up HD look. I definitely suggest heading over to your Walgreens, and if they don't have it out, take a Funko Pop in your hand, go ask one of the employees, say, hey, do you have any of the Halloween ones? They are like this, because you got to keep in mind that the people that work there, they may not really be familiar with Funko Pops, but if you catch the right person, they'll actually look in the back room, and they probably honestly have this in the back room. So that is a tip, and I hope everyone is able to get their Funko Pops, because it just stinks not being able to get them. I did a video yesterday, which was a very interesting conversation video, where we talk about the Twinkie Funko Pop. I'm pretty sure the man was about 38 to 40 years old. He assaulted a young man and the mother or maybe grandmother over the chase of this. If you want to hear about the whole story, it's pretty ridiculous. And I get into a whole conversation on the future of Funko Pops. Definitely check out yesterday's video. And let me know also what you're looking for. If there's anything you're looking for, maybe I can help you out. As far as with me, I am definitely looking for the Little Shop of Horrors chase right here to Audrey 2. I know it's very similar, it just has blood splatter on it by his lips, but I want him. I'm a huge fan of Little Shop of Horrors. I want all of the Little Shop of Horror pops. So if you could help me out, I would really, really appreciate it. If you have any other Funko you think I may want, definitely also hit me up. I still have to review Loki. I've been kind of putting it to the side because it's really just a gold Loki, a gold chrome Loki. All of these are available now. I will link in the description box below if you're looking. I highly recommend getting them. I'm definitely trying to get Thor next. I definitely want to get Thor next, and that is the goal right there. So yeah, if you're looking for those pops, that will be in the description box. The Marvel Chrome collection. Also, they have a holiday collection that will be linked in the description box. They just launched for pre-order the Star Wars Christmas Holiday Collection, where there is a chance of getting the Darth Vader chase with his candy cane. It does glow in the dark. 1 in 6 chance, guaranteed mint condition. That will be linked in the description box below to all the Star Wars holiday pops. I definitely recommend pre-ordering those, the Married with Children ones. There is a SpongeBob and Patrick holiday one that you can pre-order now. There'll be a list. I like doing that to help everyone out. Not everyone knows exactly where to get Funko Pops, and not everyone that's subscribed to this channel is huge into Funko Pops, but they may love SpongeBob and are like, oh man, I'll get some of them SpongeBob Funko Pops, or I maybe would love to get, you know, Yoda dressed up as Santa Claus. That'd be kind of dope. There's tons of them, so check the whole listing in the description box. It's there for your convenience. And I hope you guys had a great time watching this video. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell, because I'm going to start going live here and there also. This way you don't miss out on the live feed. And I'll catch you guys definitely tomorrow with a new video, hopefully. And everyone be safe out there with all these hurricanes. The weather is crazy. So my prayers to everyone. Please, everyone, be safe out there. Drive safe. Watch out for idiot drivers, too. You could be the best driver in the world, but there's always that idiot that just does not know how to drive or thinks they can always drive fast, even if the storm is hitting. They need to chill the hell out, man. Maybe they drinking too much coffee or something like that. Chill out, drive slow, and be cautious, and watch out for the crazies out there, all right? Much love out there. We out.